Hey, Gil and Brenda Stewart here. We are honored and excited to bring to you Restored and Remarried and all the resources to help you blend and strengthen your blended family.
Yeah. We've been together over 20 years and we have 7 kids between us, 10 grandbabies and counting, and it's been quite a ride.
I would say buckle in your seatbelt and because you're stepping onto a moving train.
Yeah.
We've been blending our family since the time the kids were in their early teens, preteens, 20s. Now they're in their, I hate to say this out loud, now they're in their 30s and 40s. And so we have learned a lot and we would love to share that with you.
Yeah. I think that we've had a lot of good times, right?
And some bad times. Many times when people would say, how you doing? We're going, well, we're breathing, we're thankful, and nobody's in jail, because that's really how it can go.
So, Restored and Remarried kind of grew out of our pain and our story. My previous marriage was 19 years.
Mine was 24. I had 4 children.
I had 3.
Yeah.
And I think the journey that we were on and the pain involved just kind of helped us create this so that we can help others through this.
Right, because the doorway into the blended family is of one of 2 ways, and they both represent pain: divorce or a death.
Yeah.
Those are painful situations, and when you step into a new marriage, you think, oh, this is going to be great. Yeah, it is, but it's going to take some work, more than you realize.
Yeah, but there can be joy in the journey. I mean, we've had so much fun, and I think the biggest thing is continuing to be flexible, even as our adult children. We're in this new phase that is just like, boy, I love what you say, if you're not flexible, you'll snap.
Yes, blessed are the flexible.
Yeah.
You know, it really is important to maintain that flexibility, because the ground that holds everything together in the blended family is the marriage. Now, this is a bit of a double standard, because we all want to talk about kid issues, but if the marriage is not holding together, there will be bumpy roads ahead, because the strongest bond for the blended family system is the marriage. This is the reason why we focus on that the most.
Yeah. So we have a bunch of resources on our website. We have a book, workbook,
Video
leader's guide. Gil did an amazing video series for guys.
Yeah, called Unsung Heroes. Encouragement for dads in step families, and even, first-time dads who, marry in to a woman who already has children. I address a little bit of that as well.
Yeah. So anyway, check all that out on our site, gilandbrenda.com/restoredremarried, and check us out on social media. And we're just here to encourage you. And because remember, our byline is,
if you ain't got the marriage,
you ain't got nothing. Because a strong marriage is the best gift you can give your kids and grandkids. And it's about your legacy.
Righto.
So we want to encourage you in that.
We look forward to hearing from you, and God bless you all.